thought that I am in the right place where I can see the castle in Princess Diaries, Segovia. And now I'm searching for it. I'm so stupid. It's Genovia, not Segovia. But it sounds like Segovia. But it's the same. It sounds like. The only difference is the first letter of Genovia, Segovia. Diba?
Yeah. And the country.
Sorry guys.
This is not the Princess Diary.
This is not a Princess Diary. Every time that we go to old places, like Rome and more on Spain, every time I see rocks like this, I always ask myself, how old is this rocks? Like how long had it been here? Who are the people that had sit here before, like way back? Is it the same rock? Nothing changed?
It's a Roman rock. Romans built it.
Yeah, so it's like, it's amazing that it's still here and it's still a rock.
Yeah, this is one of the oldest like aqueducts in the world that is intact.
Like those people that have looked at this the way I'm looking at now died long ago.
About 2,000 years ago.
It's amazing, no? How rock can stay the same and then we die and it's still here. Unless you bomb it, unless people bomb it. Or there will be a tsunami here, or there will be an earthquake, or there will be a hurricane.
I don't think any of this is going to happen here. That's why it's still here. There are no volcanoes, earthquakes.
Good for European.
Yeah, we're lucky.
Cathedral de Segovia is one of the most beautiful cathedral that I see here in Spain. The outside and inside of this cathedral reminds me of the St. Peter Basilica in Rome.
Yes, its high ceilings and decorations are perfect for reminding you of your fear of God.
The highlight of this cathedral is taking a tour to go to the Cathedral Tower and taking 189 steps to reach the top of the bell tower and be rewarded with a magnificent view of the Segovia city.
The camera doesn't do it justice. You really have to see it with your own eyes.
Spanish cathedral, Spanish rock, Spanish stairs. I don't know. I'm tired. I hate the Spanish stairs. So long.
Every time I see castles, it makes me happy. Alcazar Castle is indeed enchanting.
Behind the ticket office, there's a garden with an amazing view. Take a break and relax before going into the Alcazar.
Inside the castle is a museum that showcases the history of Segovia.
Stupid.
The room is presided by the Spanish coat of arms from the time of the Catholic monarchs. Above it you can see St. John's eagle, the emblem of the two monarchs, Isabel and Ferdinand.
Sex fresh, huh, babe?
This should be guy, boyfriend, Instagram, taking girl picture. But no, I'm the one sacrificing for your good picture.
If your legs can handle another set of stairs, then you can climb the tower for more incredible views. To finish off your day, take a stroll around the city walls. There are incredible views dotted all around the city.
Segovia's specialty is boiled roasted piglet.
The meat is literally so tender, they use a plate to cut it up.
Using a plate. It's a massacre. Tastes like lechon.
Tastes like lechon. Boiled lechon. Boiled crispy lechon.
In general, be prepared to eat a lot of meat while you're here, especially pork. Pork and soup, pork and sandwich, pork dessert.
Golden pig. Expensive pig. It's look too good to be eaten.
At least if you're not into pork, they have a lot of good dessert. Like this one.